What if you could turn a single course sale into 12 months of steady income? That's the power of recurring subscriptions. And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up using Sublium subscriptions for WooCommerce. Alright, let's walk through it. First, make sure Sublium is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Once that's done, head over to Sublium, then Plans, and click Create Plan. Give it a name. I'll call this one Master Skincare Routine Course. Now you'll see three options here: recurring, subscribe and save, and installments. Since we're selling a digital course, go ahead and select recurring. This one's built specifically for things like online courses, software, memberships, basically any digital product where you want to bill customers on a schedule. Click Create, and your plan is ready to customize. Alright, now let's configure the details. First up, billing frequency. I'll set this to bill every 1 month. But you can also do weekly, yearly, or even a custom cycle, depending on what makes sense for your product. Now here's something really powerful: free trials. Offering a free trial lets potential customers experience your course before they commit. It removes that hesitation and builds trust. I'll set a 7-day free trial here, so customers get full access for a week. And if they love it, they automatically convert into paying subscribers. Next, sign-up fees. This is a one-time charge you can add when someone first subscribes. But for this course, I'll skip it and keep the barrier low. And finally, subscription expiry. You can let the subscription run until the customer cancels, or end it automatically after a certain number of payments. I'll set this to until user cancels so they stay subscribed as long as they're getting value. Once everything looks good, click Update to save. Now let's assign a product to this plan. Go to the Products tab and click Add Product. Search for your course. I'll select Master Skincare Routine Course right here. You can set a discounted selling price if you want, or keep it at the regular price. And you also have the option to allow one-time purchases alongside the subscription if that fits your strategy. Hit Save, then go back and toggle the plan on to activate it. And just like that, your recurring subscription is live. Now before you start promoting it, make sure to test the full flow. Go to your product page and confirm the subscription option shows up correctly. Then go through checkout. You should see the free trial details and the first billing date displayed clearly. Place a test order and make sure everything processes smoothly. So that's how you set up recurring subscriptions in WooCommerce with Sublium. If you're selling courses, memberships, software, or any digital product and you want predictable monthly revenue, this is the way to do it. Check out the pricing page and start building your subscription business today.